And again, before I name senior champion, I feel all of these exhibitors and cows and breeders and those who prepared them. Let's give them a big round of applause and just an outstanding group of senior cows. All 6 of these cows deserve to be out here head to tail. They're exceptional, and it's really been an honor to watch them win in their classes, come back as well as they have, and be presented as well as they are. We've got 2 outstanding 4-year-old cows up there at the front of the group. Our winner in the class, a cow that we love for the height to her rear udder, the depth to her frame, the length to her frame, just an extreme rib cow that you love for her overall balance. The 2nd place cow, another one with a beautiful rear udder, exceptional turn to that rear udder, an extremely balanced cow as well. We have our 1st and 2nd place 5-year-olds. The winning 5-year-old cow, what a rear udder on that cow. You'll love the bloom, the fullness, the turn to the rear udder, just an extremely silky frame cow as well. The 2nd place cow in class, another one that just has that extreme style, balance, great breed character, great angularity, and extremely full rear udder with great width and height. And our age cows down here, our winning cow, just the epitome of balance, a cow that has beautiful style, openness of rib, exceptional rear udder on her, and a beautiful fore udder. And the 2nd place cow, a cow with just an outstanding frame, so much length, so much stretch, and extremely youthful udder on her as well. At this time, I'm going to go out and congratulate your senior champion, reserve, and honorable mention. And again, please give them a big round of applause as I do so. These cows deserve it. It's been an awesome show, and they deserve a big round of applause. Well, what an awesome cow to win this show today for senior champion. A cow that really, she just puts it all together. This cow really exemplifies the quality that you've had, the depth that you've had, and she just has an outstanding frame, beautiful udder, and she puts it all together for me today. For reserve, I'm going to go with the 5-year-old cow, another cow that's on the money today. She has that beautiful udder. You love the height, the fullness, the angularity to her frame, the dairiness all the way through. Giving the edge today to the age cow, just having a bit more depth to her forerib, a bit more width to her chest, a bit more frame all the way through her front end to get over that 5-year-old cow. Honorable mention is going to go on the 4-year-old, another extreme frame cow, a cow with a beautiful udder, again giving the edge to reserve on the 5-year-old with a bit more bloom and fullness to the rear udder, but an outstanding honorable mention again today. Congratulations to all these exhibitors.